To my channel. Today I will be showing you how to create a multi-line comment in Python. And so say you have a lot of code. Just give an example. Say it's text, not really code. It could be text, it could be code, it could be whatever. Say test is equals to that, and you have another one. Say test is equal to that. Let's just change this name to a different one, and you have like a bunch of code and you want to comment all of them at once. So how do you do that? In the meantime, let's just give the title here. So what I'm showing you today is how to create a multi-line comment in Python. Okay, I'm going to do the markdown so it becomes like a header. And so you have this bunch of code and you want to comment all of them at once. Rather than just coming here to do a pound, that way we have commented that one. So if we run this, the test will no longer be run because it's commented out. All you have to do is select everything, and in this case I'm using a Jupyter Lab or a Jupyter Notebook. If you're using Jupyter, you just have to select it and do command /. So this is a /. So you just want to do your command. I'm using a Mac, that's what I'm saying command. If you're using a Windows, that will be a control plus /. So that will be control plus /. You just combine these two keys together after you've selected the text that you want to comment, and that will comment it for you. So I'm going to hit that now. I'm holding down my command and I'm going to do my /, and that commented. If I want to remove the comment away, I just do the same thing. I just have to do command /, and that takes that away. The same thing for this that I did before. If I do command /, it takes that away. If I want to do everything again, command /, that adds that. What if I do a new one? It will add, to take away that away from me. Same for this one, it will do that. So that's how you do multi-line comments. What if you just want to turn this straight into a doc string? All you have to do is do 3 quotation marks, so like that and that, and this becomes a string. So if we run this now, it will sort of like, yeah, it's now like a doc string. So this is very useful when you're writing function. So say you want to give a description to your function, then you use this such that whenever you do a help on that function, it's able to like print this out for you wherever you are, and that way you could know exactly what that function does. Hope this was helpful. I'm trying to keep these videos as short as possible, and so let's go straight to the point and explain what that video is about. And the big picture is to put together these tools that will help you write efficient code, or put together these sort of little pieces that you need to write code in whatever language, in this case Python, or whatever language you may be using. So that's the idea, and I've already made a lot of videos. You may want to check out the other ones. You may be learning new tricks and stuff, and I hope these videos are useful to you. If they are, please don't forget to like them. They help support what I'm doing, and also drop a comment on what you want me to do video on next. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.